Two secret rules, and coffee is yours. 伸ばす、止める、stretch the bar. コーヒー、stop the beat. カップ、two little rules and the menu opens up. See that long bar? It's a rubber band. It stretches the sound. Cool. Cold becomes cool. Hold it long. Coffee, coffee, smell it. 伸ばす、止める、stretch it, cakey, stop it, lock. See that tiny two? It's a pause button. Stop one beat. Copy, cup, cup, lock, rock, net, the net. You got the knack. Big two says to tsunami crash. Tiny says nothing. Just hold your breath. Size is the difference. Watch it close. Stretch and stop. Now read like a pro. 伸ばす、止める、コーヒー、ケーキ、スーパーロック。Stretch the bar and stop the beats. The whole menu is yours. Bravo! Coffee, cup, cakey. Next, let's read a real Japanese menu.